Hi, Jenny here. Today I thought we would make some mini tacos. When I was at the store last, I picked up some of these mini tortillas. And I thought, oh, those would make for some nice little good meals, like little tostadas, or I will try some mini tacos. I have not made these before, so this will be a first for me. But I kind of like, the smaller stuff. At this point in time, I'm still not eating a whole lot at each meal. So I eat 5 smaller meals are kind of great throughout the day. So I'm excited to try making mini tacos. So let's get started. For this recipe, we are going to need the mini tortillas. You're going to need some type of a spray. 1 pound of ground beef, so I'm going to use half of this. This is 2 pounds. Some taco seasoning, and then whatever toppings that you want on your tacos, like sour cream, tomato, cheese, and lettuce. So you'll also need some type of a pan to cook up the meat with the taco seasoning, and then a muffin tray. So just your regular cupcake muffin tin that we're going to turn upside down. We're going to use the back of this to make our taco shells. We are going to start by cooking the meat. Like I said, I'm going to use half of what I have here, so that will be 1 pound. We'll drain the grease off of it, and then we're going to add the taco seasoning according to the directions on the back. So it says the 1 packet of taco seasoning and 3/4 cups of water. So then we'll mix that all together and let it kind of boil out a little bit, have the water kind of reduce down. Okay, we will work on our tomato and lettuce. I washed the tomato already. I washed the lettuce and dried it off. So just going to tear this into little bite-sized pieces. So obviously you can buy shredded lettuce already good to go. This is what I've had in the house for making sandwiches. So, and just use what I have. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and we'll take our tortillas. I'm going to do, I think, 6 across here. So we're going to take a tortilla, poke a couple holes in there with a fork, just so hopefully as it cooks, it's not going to bubble up really at all. And then take your sprayer, I have a non-stick spray. I have this cute misto here. I will put a link for this down below. Spray either side. In fact, we're going to spray our tin, so hopefully nothing will stick to that. Spray both sides, yep, and then fold it up, put it in between so that it's right up against the lip of your tray. Gonna keep doing that for all of them. Once your oven is preheated, you will put this in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes till they start turning lightly brown. My misto is actually kind of low, so you fill it. That's the thing why I like these, they're refillable. So I have to keep buying a new one, but. So I just take my olive oil, whatever kind of oil you like that you want to fill it with. I got these when they kind of first came out. I think nowadays they have a clear see-through area that you can see how much you're filling, which would be much better than this. Because they do have a fill line on the inside too that you can only fill it so far because you need to leave room for the aerosol part. And when you do refill it, my hands are kind of clean. When you do refill it and you put your top on, it's going to go down fairly easily. So what you want to do is you want to pump it until it gets to be pretty difficult to do. And then it's ready to spray. Forgot to put my other lens on there. see all of me. Anyways, my oven did beep, so we're going to put these in there. I think I'm going to start with 7 minutes, and I will be checking it and see what I see and think if it needs any more time than that, or I will let you know how long I cook them for. Beep. So that was at 9 minutes. I checked it at 7. I didn't really care how it looked, so I went for a couple more. You can see a little bit of ballooning, maybe or not. This one looks a little poofy, but that's all right. So now, leave your oven on, turn the timer off, and then we're going to fill these with some meat. Maybe I still want this. All right, now fill them with some meat. And cheese. And then pop them back in the oven for about another 1 to 2 minutes until the cheese melts. Alrighty, it's been 2 minutes. Cheese is nicely melted, so we'll just add the rest of the toppings that we would like. So there you have it. Here are some mini tacos. So we'll see if they're as messy as regular tacos. I'm pretty sure they will be because the shells seem pretty crunchy. So I think it turned out pretty well. I like that the shells didn't poof up, didn't really have any air bubbles in them when cooking them, and they did come out crunchy. So that's good. And like you said, put any toppings on there that you like, and we'll eat up. So we'll see how many of these I eat. And obviously then if you have any leftover meat, if you're just cooking for 1 or 2, have leftover meat that goes in the refrigerator. So you can make them this way. If you don't care to do the whole taco thing, and my daughter likes what she calls deconstructed tacos. So I still make the meat the same way, and then she takes Tostito chips and puts those on her plate. It's kind of like nachos. So she puts the Tostito chips on and then puts the meat over that, and then the lettuce. I think that's it. She doesn't care for cheese or tomatoes on her taco-y stuff. So again, do it that way. I do mine where I put the taco type preparations on the side of my plate, where I still have the meat and the tomatoes and the cheese and the lettuce, and then I put the scoops on the side, and then I take the chips and I scoop up my meat and then eat it that way. So in any case, let's give these a try and see what I think. Crunchy on the top, a little chewy on the bottom, So either it needs to be more crisp or because the meat's in there. I like though because they're small, you kind of get a mouthful of everything. I get the meat and the cheese and the lettuce. Sour cream didn't get over that far, but kind of get everything in one bite. So that's a plus, bonus, and they're pretty tasty. So I give it a thumbs up. Woo! Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever done your own little taco shells like this. If you like tacos, or what your favorite type of what is this, Mexican type food is. If you like the tacos, the burritos, tostadas. Tostadas are my favorite for a long time. I don't remember if Taco Bell does those anymore or not. I think for a while they weren't selling those. And so my husband, I'm going to Taco Bell, like, oh, give me a tostada. And he's like, okay, if they don't have those, what else do you want? I'm going to go with tacos. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave the recipe down below. I'm going to finish enjoying my lunch. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Nom, nom, nom. So messy. Yum.